How to unblock people on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can unblock people on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, if you want to unblock someone on Snapchat, it's very simple. All you have to do is first make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you have updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now let's say you had previously blocked someone on Snapchat. Now it is also very easy to unblock them. You just need to go to your profile page by tapping on the Bitmoji profile on the top left. Once you come to the profile page, what you have to do is tap on that little gear icon, which is a settings icon from the top right menu. Once you tap on the gear icon and come to the settings page, you'll be able to see all the sorts of various options. Over here, you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen, and once you scroll down to the bottom right at the fourth last, you'll find the option called blocked. Keep in mind that your option could vary, but you just need to go ahead and search for the option called blocked. Once you find it, just tap on it. As you tap on it, you'll be able to see a list of people whom you have blocked on Snapchat. And all you have to do is you have to tap on the little cross icon next to that person's name in order to unblock them. So just tap on the cross icon. As you can see, it says, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? So just tap on the yes button. But keep in mind that if they were your friends before and now you blocked them and you unblock them again, they're going to be removed from your friends list on Snapchat. You just have to keep that in mind as well. And hopefully this video helped you as to how you can unblock people on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.